Hate networking? I did too, until I found a better way. If you're tired of small talk, feeling overlooked, or wondering how to connect without feeling fake, I got you. I'm Rudy, faith-fueled business catalyst and founder of Reemerging Spirit Life Warrior. And today we're talking all about networking tips specifically for my introverted warriors. Before we dive in, if you're ready to build authentic connections without burnout, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more introvert-friendly biz tips, and stick around till the end because I got a free PDF download for you inside my Facebook group, Empower Collective, that breaks all of this down step by step. But let's start here. Networking is not about being the loudest in the room. It's not about fake smiles or collecting as many business cards as possible. Shift your mindset about what networking actually is. Tip 1, think of networking as building relationships, not transactions. You're not pitching, you're connecting. This is about building bridges, not blasting offers. Tip 2, redefine success. One powerful connection is more impactful than 20 shallow ones. Focus on depth, not volume. Tip 3, say this with me. My quiet presence is powerful and the right people are drawn to me. Because they are. Point 2, use low energy, high impact strategies. You don't need to hit 5 networking events a week. Ugh. Here's what works for introverts. Tip 1, send a quick voice note or message to someone you admire. Something simple like, hey, I loved your post about XYZ, would love to connect. Tip 2, join online communities where your people are hanging out. And then actually engage with thoughtful comments. The Empower Collective is the perfect place to practice this, by the way. Tip 3, the follow-up is where the magic happens. It doesn't have to be fancy, just real. Hey, thinking of you. How's your week going? Create systems that work while you rest. Systems are an introvert's BFF. Tip 1, use templates so you're not reinventing the wheel. I include my faves in the Connection to Clients PDF. Tip 2, block time in your calendar for connection and stick to it. Even 30 minutes twice a week is plenty. Tip 3, keep track of who you've connected with and when. Doesn't have to be fancy. It could be a simple notes app or a spreadsheet will do the trick. And just like that, networking becomes manageable, maybe even enjoyable. So tell me in the comments, which one of these tips hit home for you? Or drop your own favorite introvert networking strategy below because I love learning from you. And don't forget, the Connection to Clients PDF is waiting for you inside my private Facebook group, Empower Collective. Click the link in the description below, request to join, and once you're in, you can grab the freebie either by clicking the cover photo if you're on desktop or heading to the Guides tab. You don't have to fake it. You don't have to do it all. You just have to show up as the version of you that's ready for more and is enough. Reemerge and rise, my warriors, because warriors do it better.